Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make music like Bon Iver. To capture his unique sound, start by focusing on raw, emotional vocals, often in falsetto. Layering these vocals creates a rich, ethereal quality, which is a hallmark of his style. Incorporate acoustic instruments such as guitar and piano as your foundation. Then, add subtle electronic elements and atmospheric effects to build a deeply immersive soundscape that evokes a sense of introspection. Bon Iver's vocal arrangements are incredibly distinctive. Record several vocal tracks, blending falsetto with your natural chest voice to create a full, almost choir-like effect. Don't shy away from using generous amounts of reverb and delay to give the vocals an expansive, dreamlike quality. Experiment with subtle pitch correction and auto-tune, not for perfection, but to add a unique, almost synthetic texture to the organic sound. For instrumentation, begin with a strong acoustic foundation, typically a guitar or piano. Introduce subtle electronic elements, like warm synthesizers or sampled field recordings, to add depth without overpowering the organic feel. Bon Iver often uses sparse arrangements, allowing each instrument to breathe and contribute to the overall emotional weight. Focus on creating ambient textures that envelop the listener, drawing them into the song's world. When it comes to songwriting, focus on introspective and often abstract lyrics, frequently touching on themes of nature, isolation, and personal reflection. Bon Iver's song structures can be unconventional, evolving rather than following strict verse-chorus patterns. Embrace this freedom to let your music unfold naturally. For an even richer listening experience, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals in the description below. Remember, making music like this takes time and a willingness to experiment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.